Hello, everybody, and welcome back again to our sessions and maintenance management series. This is me again, your instructor Haytham Al-Dalil. I'm really happy to be here with you again, guys. And you always can approach me as usual through my LinkedIn page or through our website www.lightcourses.com. Today and together we will go through a new course related to maintenance management. We will discuss one of the core functions in maintenance department. Today we will talk about maintenance planning. In this group of sessions we will go through the following agenda, where we gonna discuss definitions, few definitions we will discuss regarding planning and maintenance planning, a role of maintenance planners, required skills for planners and design of a job plan, spare parts management and maintenance budget, shutdown management and sources of job plans, software needed for maintenance planning, and we will answer a few common questions.